Hey, what's up, y'all? It's Darius from DariusCooks.tv and more weeknight recipes because that's what you guys are asking me for, so I'm gonna deliver. I love pizza. You know that, right? So we're gonna make our own store-bought shortcuts. It's gonna be amazing. I have Gruyere and Italian sausage on a pizza. I'm ready to go. Let me show you how we get started. So the great thing about making pizza is that you don't have to make your own pizza dough. They sell these in the grocery store, right? Look at this. In my local Publix, and it's already folded, ready to go. All you have to do is unfold it and then spread it out. There's many different choices when it comes to a sauce for a pizza, but I am gonna use this amazing basil pesto. It's store-bought and it makes my life so much easier, okay? I have bulk Italian sausage here. And I'm just gonna make little like mini meatballs. Well, yeah, I'll try to make it. You make whatever size you want. Okay, so our sausages are already on and I've got this lovely block of Gruyere. It's so nutty and amazing, which is gonna go great with the pesto and the pine nuts and the whole bit. So I'm just going to grate off the cheese and put it right on top of the pizza. Oven, 350 degrees. This is gonna go into the oven until it's nice and golden brown. The crust is gonna be crispy. I'm excited. Let's go. Tell me this doesn't look amazing, huh? Look at that, crusty, just like a pizza should be. And the great thing about this pizza is I'm gonna top, my mouth is like already starting to water. I don't know if you could, well no, you can't smell it. I wish you could smell it because I gotta tell you, it smells amazing in here, all right? All right, so here's some fresh arugula already washed and cleaned. Let you do a little pinch of salt, a little pinch of black pepper, and then I've got a little bit of vinegar. This is a Meyer lemon vinegar, and a couple of swigs of olive oil. All right, give that a quick toss. So let me taste it to make sure it tastes good. Perfect. Perfect. And then what we'll do is we'll top the pizza with the arugula. Huh? Isn't that great? All right, now let's get into it and let's cut us a slice. I mean, somebody has to do it, huh? Come on, Gruyere and Italian sausage pizza. Let's go. It's perfect. Do this for an easy weeknight meal. The recipe on the website, DariusCooks.tv. Two things I want to tell you as I always do. I can't stop chewing, I'm sorry. Food is my life. Life is my food. Until next time, I gotta wish you a happy cooking.